Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A72, and today I'll show you how we can take care of the battery in this device. So it's very simple. We have to go for the settings. Next we have to scroll down and find the battery and the device care. It's right here. Tap on the battery, move to the more battery settings, and as you can see here we can turn off the fast charging. So if you don't need to charge your phone fast, it will be much better to turn it off, because when you use it a very time for like 2, 3, 4 years, the capacity of your battery will be reduced, because the technology of the fast charging reduces the maximum capacity of the battery. So just turn it off. And also in the most Samsung devices, for example in Tab S7 Plus, you can find also additional option, the charge limit. It will be probably appear here after the update of the firmware. So you have to set the limit charger to the 80% or 85%, to not charge your battery to 100%, because it's also when we set the 80%, we extend the battery lifespan. And that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.